Hi everybody, it's Stephanie and I'm here to show you some more baking pans. This one right here is a Fat Daddio. It is like 3 inches, 3 inches by this way and about 7 inches this way. So this one can really be used in an instant pot or in a in a the Ninja Speedy, or those kind of appliances that you can bake a cake in. So you need something a little smaller than what you would normally use. But these are good. These are good. Nice. You can make a nice cheesecake really in this. If you want to. You have to get it released. I prefer the other, but you can use it. You can make a cheesecake in this, or you can just make a cake in this. I made a cake in my Speedy, and you can use this for the cake in a Speedy, and it came out wonderful. So these are the sizes you can use for the appliances, and also you can also put these in your oven and do that too. So your cake would still be about 6 inches high if you just pull it like that. So if you did like that, your cake would still be about 6 inches high, and it would be a nice 7-inch cake. That's what this one is. Now, here's another one. This one is 2 inches each, and I think by 2 by 6, and also used to bake in. You could probably use one of these in your instant pot or something like that, also to make cakes or whatever you really want it to bake or steam in. But for me, these are for cakes. And this one here comes in a set of 3. And again, they will make high cakes. So you put it together like that, and you will have your nice cake. And it's not a big fat round cake, but it's a nice cake. You'll have a nice cake. You can use probably 1 box of cake mix with this, and it would work. Basically, I guess you could do the same with this one, because like it gets as high. Might not be rise as high per se, because this is a little wider, a little longer than this one. So, but they will both make cakes, and they both can be used in appliances, and I like them both.